Alright, what's up guys?
Alright, good one, good one.
Yeah.
What's up guys, it's your camera boy Jona and I'm here at Patong Beach in Phuket and I'm here with
Estelle, Swedish YouTuber. Hey!
we met her at Koh Phangan like a couple of days ago and we did like a quick photo shoot there. I'll put the link of the vlog in the description box below. Today I want to show you a quick tip about focusing when it's dark. Because when we were shooting there, it was like impossible to focus with the camera on autofocus mode. So I'll show you a quick way how you can fix it and how you can take pictures when it's even like completely black in the room. So let's check it out. So we're here at like a very dark part. So now the camera is at ISO 500 I think, which is probably representing the real life darkness for like good. So it's really dark, but for the sake of the tutorial we'll bump it up to like 25,000 so you guys can see what we do. But if I want to take a picture here, like she's standing here, even with my flash with like the EF assist beam, it sometimes doesn't work to get like the focus really quickly. So what I do is I use the flashlight on my phone, which almost everybody has I guess, and you just shine at the model where you want to focus. You take your focus points, you put the flashlight away or you turn it off, and then you can take the picture. And that way it's super easy to get like even in a dark room a focus picture, because you just focus when you have lights, you keep the focus, and then you take the picture when you put away the light. So here we go, that's a really quick tip. I hope it's useful for you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Go check out Estelle, her channel. I'll also put it in the description box below. Because she's like mainly videographer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's like videographer and travel vlogger, beauty blogger, kind of type, yeah.
Like that, yeah.
Stuff like this. So if you're interested in that, go check out the channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial.